Hello, everyone. We're going to continue our understanding of multi-step equations. These two multi-step equations are going to involve using distributive property and combining like terms. And these equations are 3 times the quantity of 5n minus 4 is equal to 8n plus 2, and 8 times the quantity of n minus 5 is equal to 2 times the quantity of 3n minus 8. And let's begin with our first equation, in which we're going to distribute the 3 inside the parentheses, just like we're doing right now. And when we go 3 times 5n, we will get 15n minus 12, because 3 times a negative 4 will give us a negative 12. And then we're going to set that equal to 8n plus 2. And this would be our opportunity to combine like terms by subtracting 8n from both sides, which will leave us in this case with 7n minus 12 is equal to 2. And now we have a two-step equation in which we're going to add 12 to both sides. And now we have 7n is equal to 14. And when we divide both sides by 7, we will get n is equal to 2, because 7 divided by 7 will just leave us with n, and 14 divided by 7 will give us 2. And when we plug 2 in for n in this equation, both sides of the equation will equal the same amount. Now let's move on to 8 times the quantity of n minus 5 is equal to 2 times the quantity of 3n minus 8. And let us distribute this 8 inside the parentheses, in which we'll find ourselves having 8n minus 40 is going to be equal to, and we're going to distribute that 2 inside the parentheses, and it's going to be equal to 6n minus 16. And this would be a great time to combine like terms by subtracting 6n from both sides. And that will leave us with 2n minus 40 will equal to a negative 16. And now we arrived at our two-step equation in which we're going to add 40 to both sides. And when we do that, we find ourselves having 2n is equal to 24. And then we can divide both sides by 2, both sides of the equal sign by 2. 2 divided by 2 will give us n, and 24 divided by 2 will give us 12. And when we plug 12 in for n in this equation, we will find that this quantity over here will be equivalent to this quantity on this side. Of course, you've been given quite a bit of information, and this would be a good time to pause the video and look at how these problems were solved. Or you can replay the video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of multi-step equations. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and I repeat, like, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.